Welcome to this tutorial on properties in Kotlin. Properties are one of the most fundamental features of Kotlin's object-oriented programming model. They provide a clean and elegant way to work with data in your classes. Let's explore how Kotlin properties work and why they're so powerful. So, what exactly are properties? Properties are class members that combine data storage with automatic getter and setter methods. Instead of writing separate fields and methods like you would in Java, Kotlin bundles everything together into a single, convenient property declaration. This makes your code much cleaner and easier to maintain. Here's how you declare properties in Kotlin. Inside a class called person, we have two properties, name and age. The keyword var indicates these are mutable properties. Name is of type string and initialized to an empty string. Age is of type int and initialized to 0. Notice how simple and concise this syntax is compared to traditional field declarations. Using properties is straightforward. First, we create a new person object. Then, we can directly assign values to the properties. We set the name to Alice and age to 25. To read the values, we simply access the properties using dot notation. When we print person.name, it outputs Alice. When we print person.age, it outputs 25. Behind the scenes, Kotlin is calling getter and setter methods, but the syntax looks like simple field access. Here's what makes properties special. Kotlin automatically generates getter and setter methods for every property you declare. You don't have to write these methods yourself. When you access a property, Kotlin calls the getter. When you assign a value to a property, Kotlin calls the setter. This automatic generation keeps your code clean while still providing the encapsulation benefits of accessor methods. While Kotlin generates default accessors, you can also define custom getters and setters when you need special behavior. Here's a property called name with custom logic. The getter converts the stored value to uppercase before returning it. The setter trims any whitespace from the value before storing it. The keyword field refers to the backing field, which is where the actual data is stored. This gives you complete control over how values are accessed and modified. Kotlin has two types of properties, val and var. Properties declared with val are read-only. They only have a getter, so once initialized, their value cannot be changed. Properties declared with var are mutable. They have both a getter and a setter, allowing you to read and modify the value. Choosing between val and var helps you enforce immutability where appropriate, leading to safer and more predictable code. Let's recap the key points. Properties combine data storage with automatic accessors, eliminating the need for verbose getter and setter methods. They provide cleaner and safer code compared to traditional fields. You get encapsulation benefits without the boilerplate. Properties are a cornerstone of Kotlin's approach to object-oriented programming, making your classes more concise and expressive. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing with properties in your Kotlin projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.